Do you love this?
I love Ariel.
You love Ariel. Okay, you open this present.
Okay.
Mm. Mm. What is that? What is that? What is that? I'll go open it. Who is this? What is this?
It's Ariel clothes.
It's also
I
clothes.
this one with this.
You wanna wear this now?
Yeah.
Okay, come. You wear it now. Come. Baka nga maliit na sa'yo. Ah. Yay! Do you like it?
Wow, Elsa Claus.
Elsa Claus. Yay! You like it? Oh, more present. Come on. Sitting down. Okay. Which one do you want to open? This or this? This one? Okay.
A snowy. A
Oh.
Ariel.
Oh, you win. Go, open it. What's inside? It's from Teacher Ed. Look, what's that?
A Barbie.
What is this?
Barbie ba?
What is this?
A Barbie.
It's a Barbie. And there's one more.
Open.
Okay, there's one more. Go get the other one. What is that? Wow. It's a necklace
Barbie
and
necklace.
a Barbie necklace and a bracelet. Wow, you got a new bag. Say thank you, Teacher Ed.
Another. It's Ariel.
It's Ariel. Oh, you like it? It's Ariel. Oh, you will. Now, can you put your bracelet here? Oh, there you go. Okay. Oh, we put it here, alright? Here behind you. Oh, you want to open this? Okay. Mama will open it for you, alright?
It's Ariel.
Wow, what is this? Ewan, look, what is this?
What are they?
Okay, let's open it. Ewan, what is this? What is this?
Wow, it's Christmas clothes.
It's a Christmas clothes. Say thank you, Teacher Camila.
We have Ariel.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Welcome. Oh, some more. Some more. You got more. See, I told you. You got so many presents to open. Oh, which one you want to open? This one or this one?
This one.
This one. Okay. Oh, wow. What is that? This one is from Sarange. Yeah. Yay. It's a toy. Thank you, Sarange.
Open.
Oh, you want to open it as well?
I have Ariel.
Yeah, Ariel.
Ariel.
And then, this one even. Yeah, okay, there.
Can you open the other gift?
Let's go open the other gift first, okay? Yay. Okay, you can play with this one after we open all the gifts, alright? That one is from Charlie.
Open. Open. It's a tiny.
Hmm?
It's a papa. We have
Say
Ariel.
thank you, Charlie.
Thank you, Tiny. We have Ariel. It's
Papa,
Ariel. Ariel.
Ariel.
It's Ariel.
It's Ariel. Oh, open it, Ewin. Open it. Yeah, there. Moana, what is this?
Elsa. Elsa.
Wow! What is this?
Elsa.
It's Elsa.
Open.
Wanna open it? Sure.
Sorry. It's Elsa.
Yeah. Can you say thank you, Charlie?
Thank you, Charlie.